Hey Dan, I'm just a little curious as to how you select your co-founders and how do you work within a team? How do you manage them? How do you lead them? Both your co-founders as well as the other employees in your startup.
Great question, John. How do you find a good co-founder? That is tough. There's a bunch of things I tell people to do, like get drunk, fight with them. Don't date kind of date before you get married. So how you find a co-founder? It's a process, and I don't know if I've got the formula. But I think that all those things are true. You have to have trust. You have to, like I trusted Ethan like universally explicitly. He was a good person. I knew that every day he made the best decisions for the company, way above himself personally. So I think that's the first thing is trust, and it's very much like finding a mate and a partner in life. And then how do I manage my team? What I've learned over the years is you got to hire absolutely brilliant people. So every day I honestly feel thankful that anybody that works at Clarity comes into work to work on my idea, because they don't have to. They're super employable. They should be doing their own companies, and somehow they've agreed that what I thought the future should look like, they want to create it with me. So you got to hire great people. And then two, they want to know how does this game get played? What's the rules and how do I score? So you have to have very specific metrics. I pick three, and you got to set them and aim for them, and as a team drive. And one trick that I do is I set goals on a weekly basis, not quarterly, not yearly, but on a weekly basis, because the more opportunities you have to adjust and realign, the higher the probability you are of going to hit the kind of the yearly and the quarterly goals. So and then the third thing is they want to be inspired, and you got to remind them, because there's days when things don't go right, and you should always feel like you've got to remind them what you're doing, why you're doing it, and then also the good people that you're helping. And if you talk to a customer and they're really happy with what you guys have built, then you got to tell the team. And sometimes when the guys are behind the screen writing code and they don't get to interact with clients, it's your job to be a champion and set the vision and whatnot. So I think the biggest thing is here's the game we're playing, here's how we score, and these are our goals. Let's knock them out of the park. Thanks for the question.